If you want to start making money on Facebook from your stories, text, pictures, reels, and videos, this video is for you. Switch your Facebook profile to professional mode and start earning in dollars. Don't tell me you're just burning your data on Facebook, watching celebrities, comedians without any money, or that you post on Facebook but you're not earning from your post. What if I told you that you can actually earn money just by turning on one setting? My name is Jovita Ome, and in this video, I will show you how to switch your Facebook personal profile to professional mode. That is the first and most important step to start making money on Facebook. Log into your Facebook. Now that you are logged in, for those that want page, I will still show you how to create a Facebook page and how to monetize it. I will also guide you on setting up your payment and tax info for Facebook content monetization so you can get paid from anywhere in the world. But before that, there are a few documents you will need before the setup. I will show you the 4 most important documents plus how and where to get them. So make sure you watch till the end of this video. Initially, you have to reach 5,000 or 10,000 followers plus 60,000 minutes watch time to get qualified. But Facebook has changed everything now. Even people with less than 5,000 followers are now getting Facebook content monetization invite. I will show you how they were able to achieve that in this tutorial. Just make sure you watch till the end of this video. You are going to learn a lot. So log into your Facebook like so. Click on this 3 dash at the bottom right here. Or you click on this small circle with your profile picture, anyone. After clicking, it will take you to this menu interface. Next, click on your name and it will take you to your profile proper. You see these 3 dots by the side. Click on it. It will take you to this profile settings. The first one says follow settings. Second one, profile status. The third one, turn on professional mode. If you can't see it, scroll till you find it. Click on it and it will take you to this professional mode interface. It says introducing professional mode. You have unlocked more ways to reach people and earn money on Facebook from Meta. Get paid for your content, see content insights, grow your audience. You can click on learn more and read through so you understand better. After reading, click on turn on. It's going to load and take you to this welcome to professional mode. It says you have unlocked more tools on your profile to help you grow your public presence and achieve your goals. Let's quickly cover the basics. Define your audience. Learn about monetization tools. Calm down and read through so as to understand what you are going into. After reading, click next. It will bring out this audience. It says define your audience. You can let more people see your content. Choose your default audience. Here, it's advised to select public since you want to reach people that will engage in your content for monetization. Well, you can always change the audience for a specific post, story or reel whenever you want to upload. So after selecting public, you click next. It will bring out these review selections. Just like I was telling you guys, it says we suggest these public default settings for creators who want to grow their audience. Go ahead and read through this. After reading, you click on confirm. It will tell you your default audience on Facebook has been updated to public and take you to these monetization tools. Start earning today. In professional mode, your profile will be eligible to earn money on Facebook. Not eligible yet. Stars, subscriptions. Click next and it will take you to the next phase, professional tools. You have unlocked new professional tools to help achieve your goals. Explore tools in your professional dashboard to grow your public presence. Explore your new tools, insights, creation, growth, creator education and support. Click next and it will take you to this profile frame. Celebrate with a profile frame. Here, they designed a profile frame for you to celebrate your professional mode. It's not compulsory. If you don't want it, you uncheck the box or click skip. I clicked next and boom, congratulations, you are ready to start using professional mode. The next step is to go to professional dashboard to start achieving your goals. Click on go to professional dashboard and it will take you to the professional dashboard. Before I show you guys how to apply for Facebook monetization, here you can always check your progress and achievements, goals, tasks. Yes, Facebook gives you a weekly task. So just make sure you complete your task every week. You can always come to this professional dashboard to check for the tasks you have not done. So you do it. Here, the first one, you can automatically share your Instagram post to Facebook. The second one says explore the professional mode guide. So click on it and explore the professional mode guide. Congrats on becoming a creator. You can use this guide to get familiar with your new tools. Go ahead and read through this and also see new tools. So to make sure you are on the right track, go back to your profile. If you are not seeing this welcome to professional mode or this professional dashboard boldly written like this, then you are missing something. Play back the video to see where you missed it. Before we move to creating Facebook page, from the professional dashboard, you can either start with challenges or explore on your own. Whichever way, it will take you to this home, insights, content, engagement, monetization. This is where to check out for your weekly task under home. Under insights, you can see your views. Under content, you can check your content library, calendar, and also check out for collaborations. Under engagement, you see people to invite, moderate assists, and respond to your comments. The next one is monetization. You can check out the monetization tools here. This is where we apply for monetization. We have stars, subscription, content monetization, storefronts. They are all locked. When you apply and they approve or invite you, they will unlock it for you. You can take a good look at my own dashboard so you understand better. The insights, the engagements, interactions, total followers, content library, and monetization. So guys, let me quickly show you how to create a Facebook page before the monetization application. Log into your Facebook, click on this small circle with your profile picture. It will take you to the next phase. Find this page here. If you are not seeing it, scroll up and check well. Click on the pages and it will take you to the page interface. There is create for people that want to create a new page. Meta business suits, discover. Then it will show you the pages you manage. That's for people that already have page. For people that don't have page, click on create. It will bring out which options is best for you. There is personal and there is professional. Use personal if you want to use another personal profile to explore Facebook. Use professional if you want to build a public presence or promote your brand or business. That's what I want, so I selected professional. Select the one that is best for you and click next. It will take you to get started with a page. Use the name of your business, brand, or organization, or a name that helps explain your page. Click on page name and type in the page name you want. Let me just type anything for the sake of this tutorial. After typing, you click next. It will ask what category best describes good name. Click on search for categories. Here, just choose the category to show on your page. You can add 2 extra categories to improve search results. So you can type the category that matches with your niche. Type and search, it will bring out many for you. Select any one and click on this create down here. And that is it for creating Facebook page. I already have pages that I'm running. So guys, after clicking the create, your page will be ready. You can upload a profile photo and cover photo if you want. So to apply for Facebook monetization for both page and your personal profile that you switch to professional mode, open your page. Click on your page profile, click on the page name, and it will take you to your page profile. Click on this professional dashboard, and it will take you to your dashboard. As you can see, it's the same with the professional mode dashboard we created earlier. They are all the same thing. Whether you switch your personal profile to professional mode or you are using page, they are all the same thing. Just log into your Facebook, go to your profile. From your profile, you locate the professional dashboard. Make sure you are seeing this professional dashboard. Click on it. It will take you to the professional dashboard proper. This is home, where you see your weekly task and your progress. Please, if you want Facebook to take you serious and accept your application, you need to be up and doing. Post every day, pictures, your business, stories, text, reels, anywhere you can do. Always track your weekly task here and make sure you complete it every week. Post original content. With time, Facebook will invite you to their monetization program. Subscribe to this channel and on your notification bell now so that you will be notified when I upload the video on how you can edit your videos very well to bring traffic to your page and to help you grow. So to apply for Facebook monetization, go to your profile and click on professional dashboard. You see this home, insights, content, engagement, and monetization. Click on the monetization. These are the monetization tools. If you just switched your personal profile to professional mode, also go to your profile and click on professional dashboard. It will still take you to these monetization tools. It will show you not yet eligible. As you grow your audience, you will unlock more ways to make money. The first one is stars. It says, let your fans support you by sending stars and gifts. So to apply for stars monetization, click on the stars. For those on professional mode, do the same. Click on stars. It will take you to earn money with stars. Click on I am interested. Let us know that you are interested in this program. Just write something short and reasonable. Tell Facebook why you think you should be eligible for this program. Please don't center it around money. After typing, you click submit interest. After submitting, you go back to the next one, subscription. Click on it, select I am interested and type in why you need it. Then submit interest to Facebook. Go back and select content monetization. Type in why you are interested and submit. Repeat same for storefronts. After submitting, it's going to show here as submitted for the 4 of them. This is my page and this is me typing why I am interested. As you can see, if you watch closely, my own doesn't center around money. And after I finished typing, I submitted. I repeated the same thing for the other 3 and submitted. It says interest submitted. Before I show you the important documents you must have ready with you before setting up your Facebook content monetization, you can click on learn more to learn more about the monetization. Remember what I said earlier, always check your professional dashboard for your weekly task and progress. Here I have completed 2, remaining 2 more, and I will complete it before the week runs out. Please don't take this for granted. Be serious so you can monetize your Facebook profile or page. I did all of this and monetized my first page. It works, guys, and Facebook really pays. I am telling you from experience. So guys, to set up your payment and tax information for content monetization, you must have these 4 documents ready before clicking the setup. Always check the monetization under your professional dashboard to know when Facebook invites you. Whenever you get this notification or whenever you see this, you know that you have been invited. So while you wait to be accepted or invited into the program, the first document you should have is TIN, Tax Identification Number. This is what it looks like. You can get it from FIRS office in your state, but you have to register your business before you get it from them. If you don't have business, then you visit Board of Internal Revenue in your state and tell them you want to get personal TIN. It's in every state. Just ask questions. They will direct you and you will get your TIN. Secondly, go to your bank and open a domiciliary account. That's dollar account. The third one is SWIFT code. Ask your bank for your bank SWIFT code. Every bank has their own SWIFT code. Get it ready. The fourth one is postal code or zip code. You can get this one online depending on your area or local government. Just type your area on Google and put postal code after typing it. They will show you your area postal code online. Write it down and please get these 4 documents ready. Whenever you get the Facebook monetization invite, before you click setup, please and please check out the video card that just appeared at the top right of your screen to watch the well-detailed video on how to set up payment and tax information for Facebook content monetization. Watch it first before setting up. Check the description box or comment section. I will link the video on how to set it up there for you guys. Later, you watch it so you don't make any mistake. If you make mistake, it can affect your monetization. You are now set to start earning from Facebook. Check out this video card that just appeared at the top right of your screen to watch the well-detailed video on how to set up your tax and payment info for content monetization. You need to watch the video after getting the invite for content monetization. Watch it and set up your own so you don't make mistake. If you found this helpful, please like this video. I will show you how to grow fast and monetize fast in our next class. So click on this picture to subscribe now and on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. Drop your questions in the comment section and share this video. Thanks for watching till now. I will see you in my next one. Bye.